Hello loves, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. If you're stopping by here for the first time, my name is Ogechi and you are welcome to Savvy Styles. So guys, in today's video, let's unbox this wig I got from Luvne Hair. This is my first time patronizing their wig. I've been hearing so much about them and I decided to give them a try. And I got this from their Black Friday sales. So let's get started. So guys, one of the first thing that got my attention is how they packaged this present. I've called it a present. Okay, so one thing I love is how they package the hair. Like they put in a lot of thought and effort into packaging this and to give you that baby girl experience while opening the wig. And they also packed the wig with lots of things. They have the bag to keep the wig. I think that's what that is. And this next thing, I just don't know what that is, but okay. Moving on to the next thing they have in the bag, they added this to, I think that's a wig band for you to put under your wig to keep it well secured. I never use one of those. And also another wig band for wig installation, which I also never used because I don't install my wig. And another thing they have there is an HD wig cap, and they have this handwritten, no, or not handwritten, and they have this paper for you to read. I thought that was how to care for the wig, but apparently it's not. It's just telling you how wonderful you are as a lady. And last thing is this card, which is where you can like write the name of your wig, and so you can organize your wig more perfectly. So now guys, let's put the box up aside and get on with the wig itself. So the wig is a glueless 5 by 5 closure wig. The curl pattern is body wave and it's in color hash blonde, and this is 24 inches. Oh wow. I love this. It's going to make it so breathable. Like I can put my hands and scratch my hair. And even came with already made band. Take medication. Wow, this is nice. So guys, this is what the wigs looks on me. See, I haven't even removed the wig, the excess lace. I just folded it in, and the wig is looking this laid down, like this sleek. My goodness, this is so lovely, but I don't think I'm keeping this. I don't like the color so much, so I might get something that is in maybe ginger brown or something darker. This is not giving me-ish or brown, but I absolutely love the wig, apart from the color, which is not giving. I don't know why I don't like this color on me, but everything about the wig is just so perfect. If you are someone like me that is too lazy with wig installation and all of those hassle that has to do with wig, get yourself one of this. Get yourself one of these. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.